Hi everyone, Sujit here and welcome back to another video. I'm sorry that I did not post anything in almost 7 weeks now. But the thing is, I was suffering from tennis elbow and I did not train in these 7 weeks. So here I'm showing my skill training, and I usually train planche and handstand together for the reason that the main muscle group in these two exercises is your shoulders and scapulas. So they kind of complement each other. So that's the only reason. So the first exercise I'm doing here is planche lean, a very effective exercise if you want to test your shoulder and scapular strength. This single exercise has helped me a lot in improving my planche, which once I thought is impossible for me. So it's a great exercise. So all I'm doing here is trying to lean as far as possible, and the parallel at the front is acting as a reference point. So every time I'm leaning, I'm trying to touch parallel with my head and trying to stay there for as long as possible. And if some of you were wondering what I was doing with a measuring tape at the start, I always try to assess and record my progress. So I'm just measuring how far I am at this moment so that I can compare my progress in future. So the next exercise I'm doing is press to handstand, and clearly I'm not strong enough yet, but it's a great drill and it helps with handstand as well. So the aim here is to press your hands really hard into the ground and then lean as forward as possible to a point where your toes are almost off the ground. And you have to keep practicing this till the day where you can control this movement and you can keep your toes off the ground. Now on to my favorite exercise these days, the crane pose. This exercise has given me hopes that I can actually do planche one day. It's a great exercise for developing your straight arm strength, which is necessary for planche training. And there are two reasons I'm able to do this exercise. The first one is my body weight, and I'm 6 kilos lighter now. So my body weight now is 79 kilos as compared to 85 when I started bodyweight training. And those extra 6 kilos can make a lot of difference when you're doing bodyweight skills. And the second reason is planche lean training. That exercise has given me sufficient strength to hold myself in this crane pose. And the last exercise was handstand training. It wasn't very good. I'm a bit disappointed, but you can kind of expect that if you haven't trained in 7 weeks. And to be honest, I'm happy that I'm at least back to training, so I cannot complain much. Hopefully I'll get better over the next coming weeks. So that's it from my side, guys. I hope I've motivated some of you out there to be more serious about their fitness and well-being, because that's the only way to enjoy your life. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next week. Till then, stay fit, stay young.